One of the biggest questions I'm getting lately in my coaching is, how do you get over a past relationship? And honestly, there isn't a perfect answer for everyone, because everyone is different, every relationship is different. Some people were cheated on, some people were abandoned, some people just slowly drifted apart. Some people know deep down they were the issue. Maybe you drank too much, maybe you shut down emotionally, maybe you stopped communicating, maybe you were just pissed all the time. Maybe you just became somebody that no one would ever recognize. It's a painful thing to admit, but it's healthy. Here's what I know after talking to so many people. You do not heal by chasing another relationship immediately. You don't need constant validation. You don't heal by jumping from person to person before you're healed. They're not here to fill holes inside of you. You got to start fixing you, your health, your exercise, your money, your confidence, your emotional stability, your physical health, your peace. Because if your entire life is chaos, another relationship is the last thing you need, and it's only more chaos. Hard truth. You want a different life, you got to start doing different shit. I mean, therapy if you need it, getting sober if you need it, starting over with walks instead of sitting on the couch in the dark scrolling TikTok, fixing your blood pressure, fixing your weight, fixing your finances, fixing your habits. Not because it guarantees a better relationship or another relationship, but because you deserve peace. So when another relation does come around, you're ready. Crazy thing about when you're healing yourself, you stop chasing from desperation. And if somebody shows up healthy like my wife did after all those years, you're ready. Not from weakness, not from low self-esteem, not from panic, but from your stability and self-respect, from becoming someone who's healthy enough to live a real life. I know people who are looking for love, looking for relief. If they're healed, the game changer. It's so hard to realize that you may have been part of the problem, but really, you're the only person that has the solution. You got to get your shit together. Starts with a walk, starts with learning how to look in the mirror and go, I did this. Once you can do that, once you can start working on you, I mean, think about it. If you look at a potential partner and they don't have any money, their whole life is on fire, they're emotionally unstable, come on. But then you see another person who is pretty well adjusted, their money is okay, their emotional put together, and job is okay, the relationships are mended with everybody and they're doing okay. It's a no-brainer. But I don't know why so many of us have that problem. We can't make the connection. I can be somebody that helps you make that connection. I'm an accountability coach and I help people start over. My name is erichobaugh. My contact information is below. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one.